Time for a little bit longer video. Testing a couple other brands of black filament so I can find a replacement for them. I've also been testing a bunch of brands for gray ABS so I can get color matching on EG and EK trims. So if you got gray parts you want, have in mind, let me know on those. And then I need to make listings for the Euro style EK 96 or 98 center vent deletes, and then add in the EG defrost button 2 switch, need to put that in, and then the dimmer cruise control button 3 switch, so I need to make listings for both of those. And then yeah, just running production on all these guys, nothing really new here. Just got the enclosure for the newest machine. Haven't worked on the CNC yet, so no billet parts for the near future. So getting this guy kind of dialed in, figuring out how fast I can go, whatnot. So this is the Tinker Electronics 7-inch display, and so I can use that when test fitting stuff. That'll go a little bit quicker than sending all the parts out and waiting for people to do test fits for me. So working on that. That's the 7-inch, so I need to make the 5-inch, the 10-inch, remake the IC7 since I didn't have M5 inserts and just tried shoving M6 in there a few weeks ago, and now all the hole placement's messed up. So yeah, Tinker Electronics displays, Haltech IC7, so then those will get added to the EG fitment. So we got Fuel Tech stuff ready to go, but I want to add Tinker Electronics and the IC7, and then we have a CD5 that's actually in the mail right now, so I'll be using that for test fitting to add to the EK. Oh, also these other displays, I'll be updating pictures for the EK, adding the fitment to EG and maybe the CRX EF. So CD5 will then get added to EK, EG, EF, all those. I need to start on the DC2 Ford cluster design for the swappable mounting idea, and then I need to make EK cluster faces as well, and then the hazard button and clock delete for EG, that's on my list to do as well. And then I've actually got some family over helping, trying to set up processes more so they can just help with like the production type stuff, since that's getting to be a lot for me to keep up with and make designs, so that's really been slowing me down. Thank you all for the orders, by the way. It helps to keep this going so I can make more new parts. So appreciate all the shares lately. Oh yeah, we've also got the EK Coupe mirror deletes. If you haven't seen that, they're now in stock, as well as the EK sedan. So EG, Coupe, and hatch, that'll be next as far as that goes. And then these are the Fuel Tech Nano vents, if you didn't see those. Also recently added the, oh, they're in the box down here, but the ECU Masters 6 key can keypad. So that will, yeah, I need to add the Fuel Tech. That's where I was going with that. I need to add the Fuel Tech, and I think ECU Master 4 key can keypad. I need to add those to inventory as well, since we have the 8 keypad versions. And then of course make listings for accessories like the LED rocker switches and like the USBs if you want to buy replacements or just drill a hole and mount those somewhere. So I need to make an accessories listing for things like that that I don't make myself, just kind of reselling. For now, I'm sure I'm forgetting stuff. So this is the closest gray, by the way. Let me know what you guys think. And update on the CD7, it's actually too large for EF or or and, I guess I should say and, the EG7, EG, goodness, for the CD7. It might still fit in there. I'll have to take it out. And same thing with the EK. It's just barely too big for the design that I had. And there's already a lot of these out there. So what I was thinking, later this year, when the Fueltech 700 and the XL come out, I'll see if I can make a XL size cluster with the swappable mounting, so that way we can fit that CD7, the Fueltech 700 series, and then a Tinker Electronics 10-inch, as well as any other large displays that you guys might want. But that would just be a separate mounting system, so that'll help keep all these kind of a tighter view angle. Also have the Power Tune cluster out for a test fit, just to verify that this dummy is the right size. So I just reverse engineered this. I didn't ask for the CAD files on it. I probably should have. I mean, Tinker Electronics, they were pretty quick to send it. I'm sure Power Tune would be as well. And of course it's the next day and a bunch of stuff's different already. Making bins that fit right on these shelves so I can utilize all of that space right up to the top of the shelf. And labels, so these are like $1 a piece versus being like $3 at the stores. So figured that one can run it, then this one can just run, I guess, testing, setting it up still. Move the X-Max 3 back over here so I can look down and bump the Z offset to try and get as level as possible for these textured faces for the clusters. And then go over here, got a bunch of those other dummies printed. So these were actually M4 inserts that was designed for. So I need to add this to the EG here soon. And then the 10-inch display is massive. I don't know what we can show it, but like, I mean, you can see how big that is. It's pretty big. Anyways, that XL cluster would fit CD7, Tinker Electronics 7-inch, and then Haltech, maybe IC10, Fueltech 700s. Keep sending over ideas for those parts, and I will work as fast as I can to get them designed and then actually shipped out. Appreciate all you guys supporting with comments and orders and messages for ideas and sending all that to your friends. So really thank you. Kind of helps with orders, helps me keep living this dream to make parts for you guys, and hopefully helps you guys actually build your dream cars. So we're gonna work together.